Okay, we're just making a place here for the turkeys. They can come and graze here. Work their way down the hill, come under here for shelter. Have a little light at night. Hook up batteries so they can have a light at night. Even if it's the old batteries. A few more posts along here. Lots of food for them here, natural food. Every time we cut the grass, we can feed them. As soon as this gets low enough, if we finish that spool, we can start pouring cement here for the biggest monster aquarium in Suriname. And this Tyrone guy here is going to be responsible for it. So if any mistakes happen or any walls collapse, we can talk to him later. No, he's going to do a good job.